Hi, I'm Tyson Franklin, and this video is about a personal experience of something that happened to me recently. And it made me realize sometimes when we give people instructions, which we think are really simple to follow, isn't always the case. Now, I'll give you an example. We were staying at Crystalbrook Flynn in Cairns City, and went into the lobby, checked in, and I had a car, had to park the car. So they said, drive into the car park, really easy. They gave me a little remote control. Got in there. They said, when you park the car, go down to the end. There'll be a door. Go through the door and turn right, and you can't miss the elevators. That was what they said to me. So I went in the car park. I parked. I went down to the end. I found the door, walked through the door. I turned right, and I couldn't find the elevators. I went, Now, was I supposed to turn right, or was I supposed to turn left? So anyway, I went back, turned left, went down, found some elevators, hopped in the elevators, went down the elevator, and then I was back in the lobby where I actually started. So I said to the person there, I was trying to get to my room in the east wing, I think they call it. So he goes, go back to these elevators, go back up, do exactly what you did, turn right. You can't miss it. Okay. So I go back to where I was, turn right, walk down, couldn't find the elevators. Bloody hell. So I think I went left again. Maybe I missed some. I went left, got in the elevator, ended up back in the lobby again. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Tyson, you're a little bit slow. So I went back and did it a third time. And this was really easy. And what I think is funny is when people say, you can't miss it. Well, I'm proof that you can miss it, and I missed it twice. So what happens is I got back to where I was starting point. I went right. As I went right, all of a sudden I went, oh, there's some glass doors there that were reflective. Now, from the outside seeing in, I couldn't see what was behind those doors. As I walked up to them, all of a sudden the doors opened and there was the elevator I was looking for to take me to the east wing. And this made me realize that when people say or give you instructions and they say you can't miss something, or hey, it's really simple, it might be simple for them and it may seem really obvious, but that's not always the case for the other person you've given the instructions to. Now, if they said to me, turn right, when you walk down on your left-hand side, there's some glass sliding doors, the elevator's behind there, I probably would have followed those instructions and found it. But instead, I got down to that way, went, I can see the esplanade and see the water, but I cannot see any elevators anywhere because I didn't walk really close to the glass doors. If I had them, they probably would have opened straight away. But I kept my distance. So just keep that in mind. Whenever you're giving instructions to anybody, kids, patients, just remember what is simple to you because you've done it a million times before isn't always simple to the person who is actually receiving the information. Now, they're not always slow on the uptake like I was. It could just be you're given instructions. It could be with an exercise. It could be just something else they need to do at home. Just remember, when you're giving that instruction to them, something that you've done numerous times yourself may seem simple, but it's not always simple to the person who's receiving the message. And therefore, it's a good idea to get them to repeat it back to you sometimes what you say. In my case, it was just me probably eager to get to the room and I wasn't paying enough attention. I hope you get something from that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.